Hello, I'm Dave Covington, VDOT's I-81 Program Delivery Director. I'm here today at Mount Sidney, Virginia to talk about an important project to extend 3 ramps along Interstate 81. We have dozens of projects in the I-81 Corridor Improvement Program to extend interchange ramps, but very few to extend the ramps at safety rest areas. Today I'm joined by David Robinson, who is the project manager for this project.
This project is actually 3 projects bundled into one. Each wanted to address the acceleration or deceleration lane of the 2 rest areas, which are right across from each other here on 81. Both of them will essentially double the length of the acceleration lanes to get up to speed to match 81 traffic, so merging is a little bit easier. On the southbound side, we have the decel and acceleration lanes both getting extended. And on the northbound side, we have the acceleration lane getting extended, mostly because it's uphill and it's hard for trucks to match speed with the 81 traffic. Another downside to the original design of this rest area is there's actually a bridge about 800 feet north of here that really limited the original length of these acceleration lanes. We're going to have to replace that bridge and widen the gap underneath it. It allows us to do a couple of things though. It allows us to go ahead and extend these lanes. It allows us to improve an aging bridge. This saves us costs of future maintenance and maybe future replacing it anyway, and allows us to potentially allow for a widening of 81 in the future. When we bundle these projects, we kind of got a broader picture of everything that needed to take place, and it allows us to address the bridge with 2 lanes now going under it that we're going to need to fix. So it'll save us cost. It'll save us some time to go ahead and do it all in one package, and it will hardly impact traffic. We shouldn't have to close the rest areas. The bridge will close for probably about 18 months while we demolish it and replace it exactly where it's standing. We hate closing a roadway down, and we'll have to detour north to Kieseltown, just a few miles north of here, to cross 81. But it does allow us to kind of get in, get out, and have a quicker, safer work area. So we expect to again, communicate with the public and develop our engineering plans over the next 2 years. That'll lead us into right-of-way acquisition in 2026. That can potentially take up to a year. So we'll finalize our plans and get utilities relocated during that time and hope to advertise in 2027. Construction should start in 2028 and last about 2 years.
And now I'd like to thank you for joining us for another episode of the Improve81 video series. I hope that you learned a little bit more about the ramp extension projects here at the Mount Sidney Safety Rest Area. And I'd like to encourage you to visit Improve81.org to learn more about this project as well as other projects along Interstate 81. Thank you.